In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default font in Google Slides. Before we dive in, you'll want to have Google Chrome open as this process begins from your browser. So once you're there, we'll need to start by signing into your Google account if you haven't already. At the top right corner, you'll notice the sign in button. Click on that, select your account from the list provided, and then enter your password. Keep in mind that clicking next is crucial to make sure you're fully signed in. Now that you're logged into your account, let's move on to accessing Google Slides. In the top right corner of your browser, you should see a small icon that resembles a grid of squares, often called the Google Apps menu. Go ahead and click that. As you scroll down through the options, you'll come across Slides. Click on it, and just like that, you'll be taken to your Google Slides homepage. At this point, you'll want to choose the presentation you'd like to work on. You'll see your list of presentations, so find the one you want to update and click to open it. Once inside your selected presentation, direct your attention to the menu at the top and find Slide. Click on it, and from the drop-down, choose Edit Theme. This is your gateway to changing the default styles on your presentation. On the left-hand side, you'll see a sidebar filled with smaller slide previews. Focus on the very first one, the largest slide at the top. This is the Theme Master slide. Think of it as the central control for your entire presentation's layout. Any changes you make here will ripple through every slide. Click on this main slide to start customizing. When you're on the Theme Master, identify the title text box. It might say something like, click to edit master title style. Click on this box to activate it. The toolbar at the top of the screen includes a font drop-down menu. This is where you can select a new font. Choose one that fits the style of your presentation or the mood you're going for. After updating the title font, look for the main body text box, typically used for bullet points. Make sure to change the font here as well, ensuring a consistent look across your presentation. Once you're satisfied with your font selections and changes, there's one last step. Look towards the top right corner and find the X icon. Clicking this will exit the theme editor and return you to the main view of your presentation. By doing this, you lock in the changes, ensuring they apply to every slide within your presentation. And there you have it. Your default font in Google Slides is successfully updated. With this skill, you can ensure your presentations always start with the perfect style tailored to your needs.